Hello folks. Phone always goes off when you don't want it to. Back soon. Right, I'm back. So, welcome to another MX5 Restorer almost daily update. Been a funny old afternoon this afternoon. I've been out trying to get some postcrete for a project at home, which apparently seems to be the most impossible product to get hold of at the moment. Thanks COVID. Right, okay, so what's going on out here? You saw me mouth 1, 2, 3 then for that button, didn't you? Right, this is one we've got that's coming up for sale. It's actually already listed on the website, and probably by the time this video goes out it'll actually be on the website. It's one we picked up a little while ago. We've been doing a bit of work on it. I'm not sure if it's appeared in any of the videos so far, but we just did this sill repair here, and in there, looking quite nice. We put a new wing on it because that wing was just had a tiny bit of rust at the bottom. In actual fact, I think you saw another video where we reused that wing on another black car where it had been hit. So the wheels have been refurbished. I'll show you them in the workshop in a minute. So this car will soon be getting all cleaned up, put back together. Put a new roof on it, which I think I've mentioned before, and that'll be on the website, ready for someone to purchase, hopefully. Don't think there's anything else out here that we need to talk about. Damn camera, I will get used to it. It seems to be, no matter how many times you press it 3 times and it doesn't spin round, or you end up accidentally pressing it 4 times and it doesn't spin round. Right, wheels. Come on, there we go. Right, so that is the wheels that are on, ready for that black one. So they're the proper wheels for it. It's an SE, so they're the proper wheels for it. They've all been refurbed professionally, and they'll be going on soon, hopefully. Right, let's see what Roy's up to. Roy's got a different car on his ramp. You've got a different car on your ramp. So the black one's gone to paint, hasn't it? So that's all been under sealed and disappeared for paint, hopefully back soon. This one has been, I don't know if I've mentioned it in other videos, I probably have when it was outside. So that's the one where all the rear quarters have been repaired. Actually had a whole new rear quarter on this side. That was a really big job because behind this area the car had been hit before, and there was a lot of stuff behind there that wasn't straight. It made it extremely difficult to get this panel in any position that made sense. You didn't swear at it at all, did you?
No, not at all.
Never? No.
Never. Didn't spend a day trying to straighten everything out.
Just a day literally trying to get the damn thing to fit, which was fun. What are you doing now? Oh, right, okay, yeah, so failed the MOT on a few bits. Had a broken spring on this side.
Ghetto lowering, that is.
There it is, in its 2 parts. The front shocks were rather bouncy.
Yeah.
So the sort of customers requested used parts. We've got loads of those in stock. So used spring and shock on that side, and another one going on this side, isn't there?
Yeah. Cut the ball joint dust covers.
Oh, right, okay.
So do the headlights. One was not operated properly.
Right.
The adjuster.
Oh, okay.
So that's all that out.
And then we've got the windscreen works, haven't we?
Yeah, windscreen out. And,
So dealing with that, and in the door shut, so the wings will come off for that. But we're going to get it over for the retest work first, because then that's the free retest before we then attack that and crack on with that bit. Cheers, Roy. Get it done tomorrow, yeah?
Of course.
Right.
Hello.
This one got worse, didn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I'm not sure. I think when I did the video before, I'd explained what we'd found. So it's now going back together. You did a repair in there, did you?
Not this side.
Oh, okay. So inner's on, and that was it, really. That side. Yep.
Yeah. Pretty
Yep.
much.
Other side. What have we done there, Ash?
Fix the inner.
Inner.
Yeah. The inner is now innered.
So then we've got the outer to go on. Small repair on the lower cylinder plate. Rear box section, rear jacking point. It's going out tomorrow, isn't it, this one?
It's going out this evening.
Going out this evening.
Yeah.
What time is it?
Don't know. Some time past Sometime between dinner and tea.
Right, okay. Dinner and tea? Dinner and tea?
Yeah.
Dinner or tea, isn't it? Alright, okay. Chris is still playing with this one. Wheel's back though. That's a refurbished wheel. Looking lovely. He's wrapped the downpipes, you can see that this time. And he's also, it's had a kind of resonator without a cat in it, so obviously being a later car it needs a cat. So we put a cat in there for it. And I think he's nearly there now. Yeah, he's out on a road test at the moment, so we can't talk to him about that one. Grant has been busy on this one. Hello. You just carried on with the service yesterday, didn't you?
Yeah,
and
service, yeah.
This morning you've been wrestling with C's bolts to do these Meister R's, haven't you?
Yeah.
And ball joint dust covers, which has not been fun. So yeah, new Meisters on there, on the front at least. That side and that side, and he's now tackling the rear, aren't you?
Yeah, so start with there, yeah.
Okay, so this will be coming off a ramp for a Geo tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good. Right. Okay, that's all for today. Getting short of these, aren't they? We don't need to talk about it too much, do we? Just run through quickly what's going on. It's quite nice that you guys are able to see just jobs progressing sort of as they happen. And if we get good feedback on these videos, we'll keep doing them. Alright, take care. See you tomorrow.